it's Audrey and welcome back to my channel. This week I have 4 midterms. So I have a midterm Tuesday, Wednesday, and then 2 on Thursday. So I just wanted to take y'all along and show y'all what it's like during midterms week. Usually I don't have all 4 of them in 1 week. Usually I have like 1 or 2 a week spread out over like 3 or 4 weeks. But this quarter it's different, unfortunately. So yeah, I probably won't be vlogging too much since I will be locking myself inside and studying. But if anything interesting happens, of course, I'll vlog it for you all. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hello, it is 2 a.m. and I'm walking back to my dorm. I finished studying for tonight and I basically did the midterm review and I also worked on the homework with some of my friends. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hello, it's Tuesday and I have my first exam today, but it's not until 6 o'clock tonight. It's currently 10:46 a.m. and I'm gonna go get lunch, then go to class, and then lock myself in a library or somewhere to study, and then eat dinner, and then go take the exam. So yeah, I'm not feeling too bad about the exam. I feel like I know most of it conceptually, but when I actually try to do the problems, I run into some issues. But I think by the time I take the exam, I should know everything well enough, so I don't think there will be any issues, but we'll see. So yeah, I will see you at lunch. I hope you can hear me, but I just finished taking my art history exam and it was also pretty chill. Like, I knew most of the information. So I think I am going to take my lab midterm tonight so I can just get it out of the way and not have to worry about anything. So I'm gonna meet up with my friend to work on our lab work, like pre-work for our lab tomorrow, and then study for my lab midterm and then take it tonight. So yeah, bye. Hello, I just finished my last midterm and it was okay. I'll just have to see how I did. But even though all my midterms are done, that doesn't mean I don't have work to do. I still have to do my lab pre-work and then I have to do something for my club. So I will still be studying tonight, but I definitely feel like relieved. So yeah.
I just need a second so I can hear it say and leave it all to stay with you, with you, with you, with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking.
Hello, I just finished my last club, which was my lab, and I'm finally done for this week. It felt like such a short but long week with all my exams and just studying every night. But I can finally relax tonight. But I think I'm gonna go out with my friends. But I also have a intramural basketball game later at 7. But yeah, I'm heading back up to the hill, gonna eat dinner, play basketball, and then go out. So yeah.